Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred one more Kashmiri youth today in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The troops martyred the youth during a military operation in Nawshera area of Rajouri district. The operation was going on till last reports came in. Jammu and Kashmir Students Association in the Aligarh Muslim University has expressed serious concern about the safety of Kashmiri students after the injury of their fellow in an attack during a friendly cricket match in the campus. The association in a statement said it has written to the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath to ensure the safety of all students of the occupied Kashmir studying in different colleges in the Indian state. Indian police have launched house raids at multiple locations in the Kashmir Valley. The Indian police, accompanied by the personnel of paramilitary forces, are carrying out searches at least 10 locations in Srinagar, Islamabad and Kulgam districts. In Srinagar, the searches are being carried out in Rangret, Nawshera, Haval, Khaniyar in Rainawadi areas. At least 140 inmates of Ghaziabad's Dasna district jail in Indian state of Uttar Pradesh state have been diagnosed with HIV. As per the government directorates, all prisoners are screened for HIV before being lodged in jail. The inmates at Ghaziabad jail are checked by doctors. An average of 140 to 150 HIV positive inmates are living in the jail since 2016. Congress leader, member of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly Tanveer Seth has lodged a police complaint saying that a Hindu activist has threatened to kill him. Tanveer Seth was threatened by an activist of Bajrang Dal Raghu after he announced to erect the statue of the Lion of Mysore, Tipu Sultan. Dalit intellectual and author Anand Tiltumde was granted bail by Mumbai High Court after spending around 950 days in jail under draconian law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Bench issued the verdict after hearing application and reserving its order last week. Dalit scholar is presently lodged in prison in Mumbai since his arrest in 2020 for his alleged role in Karegaon violence of 2018.